Yes, my people, now well done. Oh. Now good afternoon, Gedegbe. Now good afternoon, be big. Wa bebe negeka wa bidolemu. Ibya domene wa ire. Wa bilekete. Wa bidogu. Wa binwina. Idori budekmene. Omima osima. Ire Vera TV show. Bon ya hin. Obona ya gboviama. Ave ya si ekegbe. Ma ya fefefe omanagbon ma ya hin. Okeke na miewe ama evo sunu abohin egboma. Mommy ogogo sas. That's my mommy for real. Oni ogu mama wa ni oboyo afiahin wa ni oboyo. Oye gbari oni dede negbe wo small body big engine. Oh, my mommy love. Oh, mommy Mose. Mommy Imose Chris. Ijo dogu. A godmother odogu ni hin. Wa yaku. Wa alewa gbera. Iye mene gbari. Owo ke dioma. Wa yo wala ho. Wa ya alewa gbera o. Wala wa ni oboyo. Wala wowo. Iye mene gbari ni hin. Oni a godmother odogu. Mommy Mose. Mommy Mose wa beg odogu to ball tana. Mommy Mose. So now, I have made something important doing at hand, and I have many things doing now. A chance ni wa viladiana, ena viladiana, ena vidu beg where emi de odomigo mi odogo yi social media. No come out in my a Vera TV show. Obona gbovioma aya si ekegbe. Mommy boy, oni jodogun no hwa. Ijodogun no hwa nihi. Mama boy. No we yata megia. We mama boy, ijodogun no hwa no. Omaro ba ni oboyo, no ni oboyo ti afian. Oma no ni oboyo ti ayafian. Oboni fian. Omaro ba la wo na ni oboyo. Wa begarun ha ni wa esu eniyan na ni. Imose e god mamme ijodogun no hwa. Mommy ogogo a patroness oni ijodogu ayata na ijodogu no ze wejes o ame magbodogun ga tiro adogun fuwa odogun avan be social media wa ma no yiye keko wa begarun ha ni wa mesho eni iyan ki kwe no dogun de i o vere o Josephine gba vere e Josephine reva ijodogun de gbari. That is ijodogun ni hin. No problem. Mommy ogogo. Oni ijodogu. Mommy boy. Ijodogu no hwa. Mommy a godmother go dogu. Edihi. No wa na to. Wala wo emi twin. Eido ya vwe. Nido va o wa ve dene na. Ya we alu no arun pa bohin. Alu no arun pa bohin. Akete wa mi ewe ve no una ya mu me ve ni ya hema eme na. na te we ni wala den do vano hie wewa ina do tie ije meri Mose ina wije o we ave si aga yo ni ve guo re ahere ni guo re ya because me me fan so re me guo re eva ni je me Mose na we oh no ona we rio ona we ge no ya sunu je me Mose na do toge akebe do mi we amofo de we na ibido ona do tu eyo megbe evera omagbora ose no gboba omagboba na gbora no matter how it is but ibude hiari ene vera ọmọ mo ga gbon ya eno ọmọ ni ma wu emo o we bi hin imewo because me ma like waropa ni me like iro so ama we ti hin ga ka we imewo emo we ime wa ni mani vie do vie bo ve gbogbo ebo wa hin akemi ni agwe otie ma hin mare otie ni when wamana we no wamana we no gba I can never be your brother except why we no gba before I will be your brother now iya wo mo misen bo wa o misen na wo na abandon no misen ni o ma gba orin but according to information in my home awe vera ga irigo gi o miss o money wo wa ni ya riva etie vera ya fingo ni yeva awa eberigo ni gi o wa na wa ya ewe awa do ya dun ipakpe na to the essence of where awa no ri dun ipakpe na giave etin eni re Nigeria we dian so owe yena awe ona we yena we yen de egberi rigo ki okpe ani ekenona fie bogbe yudo ekenona do fie bogbe yudo nana do mie wona do fie me werie we do we magi rigo ki okpe ani e monu we bie ye ba riwo agba ogeni o meje wo wa o rigo ki we ni jwe agba oge money dugu be meje wa we amera dugu be mera wa bi ame etien ni yebe ro wa bo wa ye bi ame contact of a man in Nigeria no ame ka we my brother me 100 euro na la gogun merie ni bi me ga ni bi me ya ko agba oge gbin ya ba o me 12 years in Edo State of yen one o en what's up in Ika we topic of Bavedo. In a way, when your husband disappoints you, your children cannot disappoint you. Iwe topic of Bavedo. In a way, when your boyfriend disappoints you, your children will not disappoint you. So if you know what you are doing as a woman, you take care of your children. Not your husband. Your husband will take care of you and your children, which your husband will take care of generally. Then you will take care of your children. Eri mata vedo. Ne maso na yevila diana do arovie me. Emi ogbanu wa ma understand. Where emi nita. Ogi do manifesting, ogi do asununa. Oka bie yo ene. mehe go momo wa kabia yo mehe go momo wa kabia yo we no taje. My people, me ige moti dogba owo kame ya migo me ma ho be kolo ma wela wo wari go na ne oyime o yin ya pay school fees no oyime two months dogba owe ya collect owe i ma bi ho gwogwe hello wa yiri go na no oyime wari ol na wa be ge no ya pay school fees o no wa ya dek be school na o wa be na o huo ni edo ban wu edo ban wu edo venana mi ewe ma bo ko gbaro wa me he wo bio me ha na we Nigeria o ma si ame wi go de wetin ye uginya we Nigeria o ma si ame ewe mi de wetin o ma je we Nigeria o ma si ame wetin ye sendi ge dokpa yin na sendi gi je we Nigeria si ame we kpi azu o veri o kpi abun veri o ni o sendi go ma ka o kin akwe sendi go sef no kpi amo o ma wu edo ijo orie because we no go no ti yo am gbiju e o no ti yo am gbowu e ya vi mi hin wa hin boy vi mi hin wa hin ti me be ruo ti me be megbe ugben so mo iji mi akoli me awa koli me gebe ne mi ya beji oje emi ro ba egu me ne ma emi igo emi kere ni e ko be ya follow up be mana iyan ma be ya mo sa jezin egbe ni ya me ni ije me ge yen meti zin egbe je mo ri fun kolo wo han me owo han me be ri ege omo no eti wo ni o eti wu no o eti wu ni jo eti wu nera we ke ti do akmo mi me no mi agbo wuwe it can never be done no uga overi o da me imi ati we ebu e ma me no waye ko wa you can't patronize me as your husband and your children will be starving no Prince Ago Odogu wato wa understand me my fellow women uga egu ka bie yo pe ave ni emonu we bie yo pe ave ni me ma beri mo pa nu we ado bie no pe ave we bo ma ve dene na no here 7 morning we ka bie le yo wa ogeni giemeso ni rewe boy ni abado ni mo wo wa vene no rewe bo mego ere no me rogwa vi mego no rogwa agwa bi amigo fan o wa me begbe o ti me no di no refra bo givo daga no na rogwa o wa me ga agbeli ma bege ni wo rogwa o abado ni ma bebi yen ka we bori yen do ba ma ya kin big boss ne Odogu vinyere yen do ba ma kin big boss ne we are big boys Mario huwe yen do ba huwe ma ga ai mama gi sendi yen kere ma ya de lo to popa ne marowa okun kian wa we ki community reference na wa do ki Odogu ije igo na wa de gbe wa po beti yan abado ni ma so mana gi yan wi yen no rewe bo be ni yen meri ma be me ogwe no rewe bo gwe mo wa me mo hogbo me bi o kan no wi me ni ye bo hogbo but o wa bi we bi wa me bi wa pa ma hin we are all rich A child that you will abandon today can become a millionaire tomorrow. If you abandon a child, you say they are nothing. Have it in mind that you abandon today, become a millionaire. Oh, Enogie one of Germany. Enogie one of Germany. What? Adam gaga. Abo ani aba me ma we kata fite yari. Egbohu. Then as we are talking, sorry. As we are saying, as we come to talking. We understand him, man. A mistake in Waniviagmo make ni mam nuwama where I regret where mistake mona manager mona take out the one at this mistake or man mistake sorry Nuwaniviagmo ma where I abandon them more una abandon no more but one neru no money get abandon you abandon your child. Be praying for that child not to abandon you. Yes, mortar. Mortar. First also Sazuwa. Enogega se. Wato. Omani mawa ekbari ojave Nigeria ni himagbag be culture low Edo State. Ave nikina. Oh. We understand him, man. We were right in one way abandon no more. We are waiting or you have the full right now your way. We are abandon no way. But we are in the room. No money get abandon where. Or money get abandon where. Where is a bolikwo yae? Where was a rikojas? Ikoja ni was a bole la imi. Adomi we ahiam we oto. Ayukmo wo we moto. Ukmo yebe macho gbo ukmo grade gbe o. Ewa yebe macho. Eboge da wa gage boge da do ya wo ya do yukmo ado ukmo na yebe agba ya afian vi soko. Ado ya agba lega. Na ya re oto. Understand? If you abandon a child, a problem mirror. But if your child abandon you, wa boliko yae. Wa izerioja. So for that simple reason, omonu wegi ene wegi muveko. Wegi muveko ne. Ena abandon ena yako ato ono ikeku were ne. Ma biazen. Oye guweye ve oye ijazen ni esinyo. Ma bioso ma bioma babe. Oye guweye ewin ijama babe ni. Esinyo. Ido rudo ehu. Ido dina obimea. Ido rudo kbuya ido dina obimea. Ido rude swag. Rude beautiful things. Ido dina obimea. Sister Regwe o. When we are TV show, Mr. Glass of Oban will be ya say 500. 500 in say money ya we winner. Or see ya de mattress. Vio you over. 500 in ye de television agmo. Ni ya kwa over. My people, why we beneath people? Why we like beautiful things? Why would they ignore things for something will not make sense? Why are we ignoring something for something that will not help us? A responsible man will take care of your child that you gave birth to with another man than his own, than the one you gave birth to him. For him, sorry, to him, for her, she, he, me, for he. Oh, John, so far, I'm gonna manage, I'm gonna arrange the English. What understanding, man? Aga hungry akiri okoko, eri gan. Ewe bo fio ma mi werie. Ewe bo na ni majena. E fio ma mi werie. E wonu we anado mi kwe so yan abie no pe ani akpa ko omo ni aka bie no pe ave. Yan ga kpaka si abie ani. O biani ni broda we mumu nozuo obe nwa eso atie this your pikin we wa sakan wa ozuo wa no we wa zuo ewa this your pikin just even well do na how dare you you don't have the audacity to insult my child in presence of mine. If I am a woman you are talk less of where we are who we may for good 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. You might see our tower go give me there. We might be no matter where you will go with me. Where you go give when or one there. Oh, ya book biani. And biani, when no me where or my come out there when you go give you. And your reaction was poor. You are a madman. Wagwa rigene nohu. Rigovia no miema. Yaya dole no robo avogu weji. Oya pege asrenti no. Nuwe. Oya pege asrenti no wohu wevu viwe. Venana miewe. E asrenti ogo vinye ni ebie no kuyave mati. Omati pe. Omavie. Uwa watena yana ni agwe erie gena wana this a gena fa we gena si agane but a boy ne gena o maybe mana no maybe ma a boy no what is his reaction they no reaction ge they no ewu unigo ye boy ni erie negwe oni migo na rie ge ewu wa Awe again teri go yowa. But some little mistake na do aro. Where why na ya igo ni ya we mi no magba wan etiyan ya we tin di gen na ya we di gen no magba ya na ya sisi go ni wo de esovo agwa na ya dun ipa pe ran gi so yen ma na mi egwe yin dori go gi agwa do anytime ya go gi agwa a blessing on yin almost to seize odiri yin we seize all those kind thing but that who when you guys know if you waiting the housing so you cannot use what their father did to against that children even we man marvel but when na kami me we bia yo we na we notaye de me ma ka mu we dokpa we come take this money still go give them for us or I dey come here I come finalize on issue for una me I fit go ebie bungbe imose mommy imose o wa o salobua ke ge ni ka wa iti agbado gwo na gwo ya la woto Uh-huh. Irene. Sorry for interruption. Interruption. Distraction. Sorry for the delay. Mona manager the one Mona take her like that. Mona bound herself and rage. So far no was sorry. Now, what damn oh. Then I remember me then because money mega wash it ban. I want to any tower area okay no ya tarunda. Ave mi talk pan na we said ave no. Although we get any dinner over here. Eva na kawasi agane gbahi. No ya ka dinner here ni. No ya ka dinner over here ni. Eva ni na wasi agane gbahi. But already dinner over here. Okay, kiribere we na later do hon we e mata no. The girl na to boy kama we mata no wi mo meha. Ano mi say no, but ona wo meha yeme. Dori tam we very oni wo meha yeme. So unu gba we wa ipagbe dokpa we mi 50 euro na regi o meha no ro wani. Unu gba we wa ipagbe wo we dokpa we oni we send them go give money ro wa. You only know your own, but you don't know that person's own. But if your child, if you deny your child, you are in trouble. It's good. If you deny your child, it's good. But if your child deny you, you are in trouble. If you abandon your child, it's good. But if your child abandon you, you are in trouble. Inside nonsense, you pick sense. I don't understand. If you not get sense, you go supermarket. They sell am na €1.50. You go buy sense. You understand? If they put padlock for your brain, for your IQ, you go buy key. €1.50. You take go open that IQ. Yeah? Mona not use una IQ. You say because man fine, tall, you get pricky, they suck you well. You deny your children for us. You say you never ever born at all. But if those children deny you, you will suffer and suffer and suffer and suffer and suffer. Igo na miewege na aha. Wa ikion man igo no ari mi aha. Veni meje mi awaki veni wari mi hiana. Ya awaki on man. Iri emi ni continue. Iri emi ni continue. Imi ari emi la imi. Iri emi wa. Ya ipopo hian. 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 Iyari emi. Iyari sama. Ari sama. Ayo. Abi vivi me arrivere ne di catapoti. Saze. Iha. Sazu bi ari mo. Wari o me mago that even your boss here, yo. Iha. Did you me? Bije. Me tie me la me. Me za ko jo me. Iya misi me. Adani agbe ko ere ni agbo sase ko ere. Pe ni ye kiyan mese ni. Iveri okpo la je. Mi aga me no ma we. Me ka be tu na gbe da ni. Idu na ni. Idu na ni. Okpo ni me da ni ohun digi me yogo ni aya wijo bono sase. Ya mi e. Ya ti gbina no sase akinye yo ma de wo me go bi ori me no yi. Those children will be missing those things. And those children will still be giving you agility for you to still live long. That same children, they will make you a greater person. They will be giving you. What of grandpa? Grandpa, we need to send money, go give grandpapa. We need to go and send money to grandmama. We need to do this one, we need to do that one. Katia that abandon me in a junction. Abandon lies. Skipping English, sorry. Correct English. Vocabulary English and correct English. Now they say me I can't speak now. Una understand me? I will make sure I will make my children regard me. They will pay me. Because a day ya tirinya mu, ya tinjinya mu, ya kokerinya kokijinya. Their father, their mother will take care of me. They are young. But if you abandon them, I tell you just now. Now you know. But if they abandon you, why is it your big bewu wakba? Adu amwe poke wewa. Egbe desoro weti wenu nyegbe kpagbe nu la po nu ne. Une biegbe wa umie ne ohoi. Demere. My dear people. Think future. Think what will happen in future. Don't think present tense. Think future. Don't think what will happen now. Think what will happen in the future. I'm a biomobo. I biogoma. My first wife. Okamo mowa. Yes. Then I got to go no working mema be no taye. Igwe runda obi me no rema ga osi ani mana migo ni. Then negeri gi no yowa. Onye do hama me dok ba we na tiri go gi na pay school fees. If no ya ka tota. Onwe gi bita. Because imamo no do do majipi me ba hwe. Emezoro nu wi awa una, nu wi awa una ni odo tun we mu ba hwe. Nu we me deja oji ni. Odo a una ma ba hwe. Meme mi agbon. Iyare no, meme mi agbon. Agbon. Ne okwo. Oyi sovie ya oga koko vi owo yi. Ima emi o. O. Ama we no koko vi owo we. Oge ko fun no gwe me bo wa. We understanding. Ama we koko vi owo ma. But we ge ko fun owo e. Lovely boo. Lovely boo, lovely boo. Ade. I bet if I finish this video, you call me more do alignment. We understand him, eh? Osadolo 1. That was Osadolo 1. Odoligie 1. Odoligie 1. Ikbiezoro. Osi aega machite. O mono bien okbiave. O ikuboro gage. Okay. So ugwe rido we ogwo ni kian rido ka mi meni awe. Ogwo ni kian do ka mi meni awe. Mene boyfriend yin kian do valo so mono bia yin bien okbiave ni ya. O moni yin bie ka bie ni ya. My people, don't value your crush more than your children. Because if your crush break your heart tomorrow, if your crush break your heart tomorrow, your children can never break your heart. If your crush disappoint you tomorrow, your children cannot disappoint you. Oberana huwewe notaye. Eto ale ari obije. Obije na huwewo. Obomo wegi lebuhia. Omo. Ovijoma. Omo. Owe ujoma. Omo. Omo we ogie. Menokbia. Ime nyadu megan we meye momogwa makwa wawa. I don't play with my children. Meye momogwa maku. Ama we no who. My dear, go and take care of your children. Who they abroad they rich. Who see the Nigeria still they rich. But if those children, if they abandon you, you know I am a recorder, a video man, a camera man, home and abroad. Or man, why am I so wa or river ni yoni or doligi one. Or tell me one a blood brother many or river doligi one. Or why am I so wa on a rame, erime. Is when you rame mama. Or man, no one near me, no one rime. Ogogo, it's mommy ogogo, mommy mosi, ago. Or wine rame so wa. Betty time, mama. We understand it? Then home and abroad. Momo. I don't play with it. Yeah, go maku. No. Momo baby na ya go maku. Well, I love you, man. Who love you, man? Yeah, I love you. Una kabia you ni love you. You can't tell me you love me. Udanu me na mi we me abolo. Then no ya au sala kare me. Ewo. Mo te wa mi lie. Like me. I be man, mo odogu. I be man with many head. I be snake, man we get I be snake we get many head. We get plenty head. You know they know where I put my head. You don't know where the head for the where the head they go. Same thing with my children. But if you feel calculate the 7 head, you know if you get one for my pikin yo, because he's still young. If I let my body down for you, I can never allow you to look down on my children. So women their boyfriend go wear marker. They go wear this thing, they'll go media market, go buy better jeans. A jeans of man ro ekun 200. Ewu 150. Wagaru no ri eyu hu. Bet omoni ya mumobo, omoni ya viohia, iya ari wan ro shop. Aya dele polo wan ro, adele violeli ya bo. Adele viojin ni ya johia. Oja agbidiot. Oja hin agbidiot. If I toast you, you grieve for me. Ah, brother, you get picking. I get picking. How many? I go still measure how many when I get for her. If you love me, love me. If you don't love me, go. Don't say because I love you, I will deny my children for you. It can never be done. And I can never try it. Then, if we saw always they are looking for husband. That what they are looking for husband is understatement. Yes. A woman who will come out on social media or who will go and meet all those hook up people or who will go and meet all those whatever people say they are looking for husband is an understatement. I am looking for husband. It's an understatement. No. They no go boy. Go and make money and let husband look for you. Go and make money. Take care of yourself. If you have children before, go and make money and take care of your children. And let husband look for you. And you are looking for husband when husband do not look for you. How can husband come and look for you when you are naughty? No. Weapon down. Our domain. Regarding ane. Àwọn deso no na gun who charge. Yes. Yes. Go and make money and let man look for you. Not you come out on social media to tell people, I am looking for husband. Man, help me find husband. This and that, this and this. No! Make money and let husband look for you. Go and make life. Go and strong and let husband look for you. It is not your beautifulity that will make husband will say, yes, I will marry this guy, will put it here. No. When a man want to marry you, go no say yes, you don't try. Make money. Take care of your children. There is a man who will come to your domiciliaries to look for you. Sorry, domicile. Sorry. Sorry. House. 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 There is a man who will come to your house. Or a situation when we be an ikbiave on a kawagivenia wajo we on a gadia. Ije we wagi. Ah no. Best biana rio wawe. Or you beg the settings. Ona beg the settings. Ah, this woman they try. I die here. Uwe mwigone uwe mamwigone or I die here. This woman try. Yaka beg you well low. When yaka me you well low. Hey. Owije. Adanona tiko komona e mona jeveriana. Ah, ogi me awawere okokogo me ogano. Enu ye dua you wanu do woman. You are looking for husband. No. Then wagiahuye chapter. Then before I was introducing myself to people just now wearing money here ramen money jemeni ije no bi me eswizi won kaaje ije no bi me odoligireva oheme so wa ebi so na do yegbe kan gbe ona adiowa Megi Ogisowa na Hana. Walk by Arene Swizy. Ire 6 months. Iya fa ohun Il reste 6 months. Il y a maintenant quoi moume. Il y a maintenant quoi. Mais c'est Savior. Il y a maintenant. Et si notre brother il y a maintenant, il y a maintenant des besoins school. Il y a maintenant servi en a des besoins school. Na kana meri 1 year never ya. Il a des besoins school. Il y a maintenant des besoins school. Il y a maintenant quoi. Iji mega ake esokoto no na ye school ni day. Iji if full moto eyi me wa lodire. E atie ma veri ya wala rije mere. Adu asili hela den wi moto. Me ala ti me ye ovie jando. My mother never denied me for any one man one day. My mom, he never denied me one day. Iji me bien ekpi ave ne. Ye mi me gwa ma kwa wa. Till today. But today rivonia. Eje mo giri emenia. Roda ya bien okpi ave. Ah on wi me abandon me. Enegbi me ya zere ma gwanania. But today, iji me ye gitafa, mo ijo doku, mo ijo go. But that iji me abandoni me vegeni. Although we believe wo jae o, egeni iji me do ya weak. Because egbe ki yon mane. But that to abandoni me vegeni. Na rivu. Na rivo de ti ven meri rewe bonana ti meri abandoni yevo. My mom is supreme. Iya agwo maku. If no you turn. Iyi je me gwo maku. Ni je me you turn. If no woman. My mother is supreme. So why you children of these days abandoning your children? But why go abandon if you wa? Ka weru dem neru wa biju wa u. Neru wa biju wa u. Neru ere money u dawa. Gbado ya pokpe mo. Mi no gba. No. Leave the man. Abandon the man. Let the man go and fight for himself and take care of your children. And if you know you have another child at home, ama biok be akpa one day. Ama biok be akpa seven you no come out on one day or not to look down on your children. He can look down on you. He can look down on you. He can look down on you. Wawo eno. Tiwa gbugbe you no problem. Mami if you weni no ro wani or ro wa or ro de we can already aje. Ogiro wa ogiro de we can already aje. I can't use it to play with you. Yeah, go weku. Obokame one day, my ranu no tiebo give me. Awa why? Me ranu one day. Ni me tiebo no vyo hime. No bia no mabe. It can never be done. Lai egba anebe sunu. Ora areke nije. Veni aya discipline obi meri ave ya discipline Da bona moviama. Ave ya mo wero vi. Da bona ya mo eba aya mo ngome. Owu mana bless you we. Ovio we ga bless you we. Una your body nya yesi. But a boss knows one na gimi evegena. Ave boys ozuo na mi evegena. The rather Igo ni awunya miere mana ni. Iyaga rigo ni. Den ovie no hu. Iyaga sofa wa. Oteke ke na miewe emonirewe buwana agbon manane. Igo na gimiewu hu ya agba oge ni rowa. Owe gia aka miya we la re onu na gwana. Igo twene kere no revo bovedian. Ya gba ogwa wa. Ogwe ata. Is better than ugwe no rogwa rie document me no rogwa segi migo be webo na idorure yana ni bia be dia na huye na migo be webo iga u na ido ka gwe ido yigo ge do ya koke no rogwa la yen setting on you. Who does that? Who does that? Who does that? Venana mi we emo baron we abia bi mana be dene na no hia se no rogwa ni la no rogwa bi migo no rogwa bi fi no rewe bo bi fi bete gi ami we no rewe bo do asi bi roko no rogwa do ai no si wo wa or do ai doctor or do ai lawyer or do ai motor engineering e copy no aga ze gi o ka gbe ga gi o ka gbo wa hia ga gi o ye bi film e family wa ga gi Odo yiri fi mi wa we. If you abandon your children, Odogu, ni good oh, you good. If you abandon your children, any stepchildren we get for another man, you abandon them. He good oh, he just good. But we was here no level. We gonna do more. I beg you, fuck those children. But our children are a fucking. You know do I fuck on? A fucking where I you know do I fuck on? Hey, a children nigga abandon you. We were tawanya. We understanding, man. We awanya eva. We are to have so wa prepare that even table bri. Wa do agbe na kan do agbe no mo ai. No. Odova me gba rie va veri ana. Ado rie va yi papo de pien. Ado yari no mo do yari kona bodo. O yari oge bodo. Then we boyfriend we no me move campi. Kwa gbado a na vezu we campi ve ye. That we absorb me be Facebook. We do total executive table no ripa law. We do total sile gizadi sile sosiye sile ekmomoy nakana shadran ya la nokba la then ado rie mi ni tin no yo kan kere awo no ni yare kona enugwe mo na your baby be this no weri amon weri ye ku awe uri ye ku awe we is work by over your by your monu well yes maneuver Oga emawe we are ifie money uri your money nu we are feed that money na ko ga evun mo na ko ye gbiwo we are to mo ri unu we na wunye riye uri amene no won we ko ri e kegbe wa ya wa ri bai wa ri okwe kugbe o ori gbe so je beri o ori gbe so je ri o Even we are not to meet with so do lad and social media na. I love my mother so much. In do post a picture Mother's Day. no more ya. But when you love your mother so much, it is you where abandon where when I love you where. So the way your mother behaved to you as a woman, you're supposed to behave to your children like that as a woman. The money we are post the picture well at where is your no more ya too much. To deny your children is not the problem. But when your children deny you, if your children deny you, you go hear word. So that girl that they call Vera, I too beg advice and hear advice is in inside nonsense, you pick sense. Advice and hear advice you were saying, my dear sister, I will take care. You must take that advice. Go and take care of your children. Sorry, Oga rudori anu wegwewe mana osi enu we na migo nu we ayagba orimo osi enu we na migo riegimo osi enu we na rigo gemo sorry okono ya mu no migo yiwo hu ne ogun hin agbe ta ma wi mote wi bogun hin agbe ozuo o meme ekenori ani yi won mi na agbe bi wewa anowa ogwa we yin hin awenu wa homo dononi eno enegbe wa homo ege no sitala we sekun wa ga homo ami ignorant ni mama e wa ga lele ile kan ignorant no vie swaga jo no vi ukmojo be na abi na hin iyan bere o iyan bere iyan wa bere o okay. No vieux mojo ignorance no ruwe gbe ni to ye vio eladian. We mami ono gbe lo waste ye koti because he's an ignorant. And that ignorant is in him ye vio ere. So my lovely people, again, if na that man I cause and we you know they take care of your children, we born for another man 5 children for that matter. 5 children, rankman. For that matter, if not that man I cause, my dear, pack and go. Unda deriva. Udero, my dear, pack and go. Imagine why Dave family why. Imagine why I family why. Imagine why I have a family background or who. But if you know that is the reason you did not send money to your children at home, if that is the reason you abandon your children at home, you know, Babori, Emma. Because una know say one thing dey wey be say when woman go send money go give man, I get am for my family. When you go give your family money, your husband go dey quarrel. So women go say, me I take prevent my marriage. Me I take protect my marriage. Me I disobey. Me I obey ran. Me I take protect my marriage. That time, the girl no come they send money. They go they give your family for us again. You know, go they send money. They go they give your wife, your children, and your husband again. Because waiting, he want to prevent his marriage, her marriage. He want to make sure he protects her marriage. How can you protect your marriage and disprotect your child in Nigeria? How can you protect your marriage and abandon your children? Who is your marriage? Is it the man or your children? Therefore, they ought to throw abandon her so that they want to make the man happy. How can you make man happy and abandon your children? How can you make love with a man and abandon your children? How can you say you want a man to have benefit and abandon your children? You need the happiness of a man, then you abandon your children. Does that man important more than your children? That is the question. For some people, the man is important more than their children because they feel say their children not come fuck them. For some people, the children is important more than the man. So as for me, my children is important more than my wife. Now me they talk, I'm na social media for the talk, so my children is important more than my wife. I don't play with them. Eti shakpana gbo imedo ba me bo wa. Ori gbona fian obo. Ise gina akpele le di owa. Ise gina akpele lo vi me adi owa. Na kana ime be wo severian. But he won every one side, but he might wo severian ba o. Ama me we na mu ari kemis na ya chite. Ise gina velele vi me obo adi owa. No ya gbukpukpukpukpu no gbe yobo was a sharp object. Ona gbe yo imobo. I swear. Skuni. Emni me ya go vukpo momo. Omo ni me ye gbo wo kan bie. Omo ni ye gbo wo kan bie. Omo ni ye gbo wo kan bie ya so vukpo omo. Roi. Skuni. Oda wo na do di bai. Odi okowa. Ona do di okowa. Odi okowa na do di bai. For good 3 months, Skuni amaje. Amala o. O. Men na do work me the police station. E men na do work in the school. Iyan we rien we do mo be. Iyan we mo bien we release me maybe ya do work me. So my dear, my children means a lot to me. Wagimalo no ba 6 orima. De no ba 9 no mari. Wagalue. Don't value your husband more than your children. Sorry if I use that word husband. Don't value your boyfriend more than your children. Even husband self, yes. Don't value your husband more than your children. Value your children. Take care of your children. Make your children comfortable. Make them okay. So that sister, when it ya do ya gwo ti awa do gwo we la woto ve na because emi hiro son ni me. Better ke mi ewe mommy mose ona do fare or afa no fan. If not that you for hear word. E mo emi na yaku. Wa yari kini mo biye. Ironsa wa yari bed ni mo biye. Wa yari pot ni mo ale bai. Veni jinya na rewebo. Ijinya gwan avec social media. Ou avase avec social media. Ou hem avec social media. Ou hem avec social media. Den wega eu. De wega kine if you wewe. A glass of pokpa no we agbe ya okpa is €500. Bet owo. If you arrive you wewe. My dear, iyo sa obo yin you wa gba oge money ro wa. Wa gba oge money ro de, wa gba oge money re wan. Even we ya the glass in your home no me to order the glass we to e copy yo. Igo ni also we ya the most winner. So school e ko ya gba orin ya ba. Awu go mogbe TV kini na duk motore megbe ma. Bete mi bon no rate muhia. Beni ye pese we wo bo. ahon we owu we evi we gije na ho ewa yan ya bieva but ahon wo wa we no gogo. My dear, if that man is the cause that don't make you take care of your children because you don't want to lose your marriage, that marriage you better lose it now. It will man lose Isaac boy where they be my phone that be Isaac boy with social media where they be ladian with social media where they be lue phone. I'm at my phone that be. If that man is the cause that make you not to take care of your children in Nigeria because you don't want to lose that marriage, a marriage in which we are after all the man can mama vivo or mama me or who ye biele ne di man and what we pay as rent in the man no working the man vivier they no go where in me kevie. So if that man is the reason why you don't want to go and take care of them, wa vow we a marriage in ukbavo we no we man akpa be marriage na vow we be marriage ni we are de vow very important. Ne money aya me winya liquidate if you ever very ne money aya me that you will go. You and that man will go. You and that man will face the punishment. You will face the consequences. Ogun ma ni ke man agbelu wa bo bia ni ogun ni ogun ori mi agbelu man agba ori money. So if that marriage is the cause, if that man is the reason why you did not want to go and help your children, your family, if that man is the cause that make you abandon your children, my dear, babore, woman akbabo, you are in trouble. Agboya avia dawe nani. So, my dear, get number 6, get number 6. Go yeah. I love you all, my fans. I still remember General Kodowa, Ogo, Odogu, one mama, Odogu. That small boy, they call small boy for social media, they follow spirit, they snap picture. Ajamili. I they take picture with spirit, I they snap photo, very clear. They take selfie with spirit. Now go there. Now see the phone where I take space. Now see the phone where I take selfie with spirit. And the phone be this. Now not seeing. Now not seeing. I will see this phone like this. Go no say this phone they take selfie with spirit. Ajamili. I love you. High Chief, Odogu Ogwefi 1. Now maybe that. One mama. Ogwon ki agberi idiot igbiji idiot. Wow. My dear, wa akpabo won menire. Won menu ukpabo. Mewa mo miseme webo we Nigeria me de gberi ohwo. Megiri ohwo agwagwa megiri ohwo we webo. Mo miseme Nigeria na ye do ale lo pe azu obi won. Ulele no pe azu obi no na be deny iwu e. Obi anu be deny iwu e na obi mo wa me be one side. Who wa ball ozua. Am make sense? If people go and make sense. Wow. Wanna go make sense. Now yeah. Wanna go make sense. My lovely children, lovely mothers, my lovely family, my lovely people, please don't value your crush more than your children. Number 2, if you abandon your children, very nice. But if your children abandon you, na rugged talk, na bad rotation, na bad talk. If your children abandon you, you hear why. You go hear am. If you abandon your children, no problem. But if your children are na their word dey. Your boyfriend can abandon you, but your children cannot abandon you. Your husband can run away from you, but your children cannot run away from you. You don't understand me. So, I love all of una. I love all of una. I like all of una. All of una are my own. Value your children. Don't play with them. If you serve your husband, you dish your husband a marker food. In fact, what is more than marker food? If you dish your husband a money food, dish your children a marker food. Not be the one you will dish your husband. You will dish him a marker food, and you go and dish your children a Chinese food. You are a mad woman. Take the two together. If a man come to visit you at home, he allowed you na yari eva ni vitebu ove. Bwavi na gbadori eva vitebu ove. Wa akpavo. A marriage ni by thunder by fire. A marriage. A relationship ni by thunder by fire. Tu pavo. You form a circle. You sit down. A money ayegberore. What is the reason why you want to go and have a boyfriend? It's because you need a man who will help you take care of those children. You need a man who these children will be calling daddy. You need a man who this may, because not be only your body as a woman, neither those children go to use body they rob. You need a man who those children go still use body touch. Say, this is my daddy. When they'll come like this, I'll still touch you like that. This is my mommy. That is what that is what you are dating man for. That is the reason why you need man support. That will not go again. Anna, Lucy, Joel Sass. Now they can't do big matter for social media. You to take be moving on me we can have yes I first tell you now will be my viewers. Viewers don't respect. I mean, do not respect presenters more than yourself. Because presenters no get level reach out for funa. I dey see many of una will be my viewer and una dey take care of una children. Una balance, una day where everywhere stew for una side. The woman, presenter, will be say, you know if you take care of your children, you know if you take care of yourself, never if you take care of anything. We can't come on and go, they say, mama, papa, a pa yourself, daddy, yo. Who is daddy be? Daddy will not fit take care of your children for house. Mommy will not fit take care of your children for house. Hana the daddy yo, mommy yo. Now what could they believe for us? Please, I am begging you people. I use God to beg una. In fact, I use God to dog una. I beg. All those presenters una they see so they not be God. Una get level past them. They talk on ama wawa bane ama vi hen. So one viewers ni rima. One level sema 100%. Let me tell you now. We not get level, nothing. Now jagger with this style now till they move. Understand? I packaging all of us there. Nothing, no level, not today. I don't understand. Not today. Not like say daddy yo, mommy yo, big daddy, nobody. I found one. Oh, my true. Oh, I found Larry. Oh, see, I see on Larry. Larry, oh, I found. Come on. He. You tell what be my oh. Iha, what. Oh, go with me. My investment. What your investment? Oh, what I work with now? Hey. Oh, what can I work with now? What very important. Oh, when or if I ever water. Very important. Oh, ya work with your oh, ama. Oh, what to work more. Wakoyo. So, we understand my country people. So, no level for us, no swag, nothing. I package you till they move. We not get level. Now they say daddy. Now where they call us daddy, now they pass us where no man. Now they take care of our children, now balance, now they wear everywhere stew. How can you wear the drive motor for Germany? They drive motor for Germany, they drive motor for Austria, for Spain, they drive motor for Canada. You call the call presenter where be say the day Aduro house, you call the caller daddy. I bet I'm gonna free that thing. All of us now. But discern, no level, no swag. I be presenter, I no go remove my body. Because if I remove myself now, they say, no, I join. No swag, nothing for us. No level. Now here, I greet all of you now. I don't understand. I greet you now. When you're not waiting on you, honey, me viewer imokba or any viewer at all. Now what lad you not abandon if ye. I never see any of my viewer or any viewer will come out where they say he abandon the children. No. But na presenter. Now we hear say he say me anybody not do anything for Nigeria. He can go buy hotel for Nigeria. Na presenter be that. Na presenter. Now we foresee say he not fit take off his pikin. Presenter now no fit take care of his pikin now. 5 children. Before later I come see yes he don't born now. From 3 to 5. I don't born 3 children before. Now I come turn to 5. Understand? Same presenter so. Now some people now secret come at one certain time so my pikin don't abandon her. May that come help. Ogini Megi now. What is wrong with you people? Why are my way? I am my way in me. I bet my lovely people may I live now. This is General Koduwa Ogo, one mama, second God. I still do, I remain. That small boy for social media, they follow spirit, they snap picture. Ajo Mili. Very important. And they take selfie with spirit. So, my dear, if you know that marriage is not good for you, you quit. My dear, if it is because of that marriage you are that make you abandon your 5 children, my dear, that marriage you will quit on it. Go and quit. Go and leave that marriage. That marriage is not for you. Well.